guys, what's up? Today this is going to be a 15-minute video because each minute I will be getting a dare. And so I'm not going to, I have a mailbox for the dares. Every minute I get a dare. And so I need to talk to my brother. Okay, guys, I'm back. I almost crushed my mailbox. Anyway, so it's been a good time. So far, so good. I'm kind of freaked out if it's gonna be a bad dare. So,
but they're exercise dares, right?
David. Hey, we got mail. Let's see what it is. What does this thing say? I can't really open it. It says, okay, so jog for a minute. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, it's been a minute. I counted a minute very fast because this was extreme. Okay, I have the notes. I like singing. Okay. Oh, you got mail again, so I'm gonna see if it's a good dare or a bad dare. Do 10 push-ups. Well, that's easy. I'm pretty sure I did 30 push-ups.
How many dares have you had?
So I just said 2. I like 2. It's already been 2 minutes. And we're 13 minutes away from finishing the video. Anyway. Whoa, we got mail and the cup fell over. For some reason the cup fell over, but this one was heavy. And need to read this fast because each minute I get it in. Make a paper airplane, even though I don't have a piece of paper.
Here, I'll give you.
My brother is going to give me one, but he's not this dare. Oh, guys, I have to hurry up. It's almost been a minute. And so every minute I get a dare. It's not going to be a good paper airplane, I know. I have to hurry up. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I made it here. I need to read this fast. Do 10 squats. Guys, you can't really see me, but I'm doing them. Okay, 10 squats. Now I need to talk to my brother. I'm back. Oh, no. I just like to do that. That was the real one. Was that the real one? No. the dare giver is not aiming for the cup. Do 10 sit-ups. Well, that's easy. Didn't I already do 10 sit-ups? Oh God, 10 sit-ups. I already did 10 sit-ups, right? I already did 10 sit-ups.
Which one did you just get? Hi guys, which one did you just get? 2, 10 squats.
Oh, I forgot to do that. I need to do mini squats so I don't hit my head.
How many do you have? 5. Okay.
Well, anyway, I've done 10. I can't. I'm running out of time. I like singing, so I just do it every minute. God. I need to hurry up on opening these notes because if I'm late and it's already been a minute, I don't get the sing and do 10 jumping jacks. I'm already, okay guys, you won't see me. 9, 10. Okay, I'm back. And so I just wanted to tell you guys, look at this. Look at that eye. Look at that eye. It's an eye. Sing.
I'm Maley.
No, he's not. He just likes to trick people like that. Yeah, the dare is you idiot. I don't know if that's a dare or not. So I'm just gonna. Okay. Guys, he sent me the dare person. Said you idiot. I don't know what the hell he was doing. Well, that still counts as a dare. I'm preparing my hand to sing.
This is the funniest dare. I am the dare guy.
No, he's not. He is not. He is not. He is not. I'm telling you. He just likes to say that. I need to go talk to my brother before I read it.
What? Okay.
I had to pull my brother's hair. I just like to. Anyway, back to the dares. God, this is hard to. It's already 44. I have to hurry. Eat goldfish. That's not a dare.
No, you have to go eat it.
The dare guy made it perfectly in, but not good. Got over. I think I have enough time. I'm drinking. Here, I ain't got it.
No, Kieran, for real.
Dude, it's already at 37. I have to hurry up. Guys, look how many dares I've been through. Let me show you this. All those papers are dares. If you can't really see, all those papers are dares. Okay. we got mail. Feet off.
You piece of shit.
Actually, I have so many dares. It's been 10 minutes. Only 5 more minutes and the video has been ended. And he spelled peace wrong.
I know. I forgot how.
I don't understand my brother.
Okay, let me just fold this one because it's not out of here. I need to fold this one. Okay, here.
It's in the
Here. Watching you. Seeing if you're not skipping on me.
Dude, do not say that.
Show them! Show them! I've seen videos of
He said funk you.
No, I said fuck you.
No, he said funk. Anyway,
I said the F word.
he did not. He did not. I'm telling you.
I said
He did not. He did not. Anyway.
I don't have any! Shut up!
It's been 12 minutes already. What do you...
Okay,
Just this time, don't even fold it.
yeah, I know.
Oh, God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. It's been 12 minutes. That one he took long. What is this supposed to be? Dude, actually, it's not 38. It's not 42. I don't
Now.
know. I don't know. Dude, actually make a dare. It's not 53.
Balls. I'm gonna write balls.
Okay, please, just do it right now.
Hey, fuck your balls.
Here, I have so many dares, guys. Anyway, it's been 13 minutes already. And I got all these dares. Even some of them aren't things I have to do. All these dares. And it's been 13 minutes. 2 more minutes, guys. We had to rest that time. The dare guy, I had to talk to him. You could hear his voice.
He pulled my hair and it still hurts.
Yeah. I did pull his hair. Remember I told you that? Okay, I got a dare. Guys, we have 1 more minute, so.
You have to pee.
I don't even have to pee. I peed earlier. Does that count?
Okay.
Dude, hurry up. Is that... Dude, is that 44, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50? Yeah. Are you even finished? It's been 15 minutes. Last dare before I put Okay, bye guys.